Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. In today's video, guys, we'll be working here on the Fiesta Mk7 generation 2008 to 2017, and we'll show you how to remove and replace rear ABS sensor, the speed sensor. If it doesn't work, we'll have a video how to diagnose if they work or they don't, but we'll show you in today's video how to remove and replace it. We'll be taking apart the whole car, and we'll have more than 200 videos, so make sure to subscribe, guys, and let's go ahead and start on it now. So we have the car in park or in gear if it's standard, so put it in gear. We're going to have, okay, the tire chokes here to put on the rear right side, because we'll be working on the rear left side and we don't want the vehicle to roll on us. You can actually use two more on the front just in case. Always be safe than sorry. So we're going to go ahead and jack it up now. We'll need to have a jack stand, okay? Always use a jack stand, because if the jack fails, what happens? You're under the car, it fails, one little seal, O-ring fails, it drops on you and you're done. So one jack stand, guys, can save your life and your car as well. Something else that we will do for extra safety, stay with us and we will show you in just a second. We'll have the links for all the tools that we use and all the parts in the description of the video below, guys, like that rapid pump racing jack, really cool deal. And it's very affordable, we really like it, and we've been using it for more than 3 years and it works great. Okay, so we have the jack stand there now. So we're going to remove the lug nuts now. Okay, this one got stuck a little bit there. So we'll go ahead and remove all 4 of them. I'm not gonna waste your time watching us removing those, unless it's quick. And check out, guys, we have a new channel, it's called Electrical Car Repair Live. Only live videos for electrical problems, fuses, things like that. Really important information there. Only live videos, nothing edited, so you can see how we diagnose everything and how we do all that stuff. So let me show you where the sensor is. Okay, it's right here, guys. You can see it has one board with 8mm socket. The connection is right there. So we'll need to disconnect it now, but in order to do that we'll need to get a prying tool, okay, 4 clips in order to disconnect it. A plastic one might not even do the work, so we'll see. We might have to try to get the metal one, because those clips are really strong sometimes. But first we're going to put a rubber there so it can give us a little bit of slack, okay. So we have a little bit longer cable, we'll get the metal handle now. Okay, and okay, we pulled it out just like that. Now right here in the middle you have to press down, okay, and pull it out, okay, just like that. We have one more rubber bushing there. You have to gently pull it out, careful not to break it. One more on the side, and the last from the back side. You can either do here, okay, you can use a wrench or you can use a socket with extension, okay, 8mm socket with extension, and do it through the back. Okay, so let us show you how we are going to do it now. Okay, right there. And we are going to go ahead and remove the bolt now, all the way. Okay, it's almost loose, perfect. Now you grab the sensor and you pull it out, straight out. Don't twist them, sometimes you cannot twist them. Okay, and we can just feed it out of there. Okay, this is it, guys. You can see this is the speed sensor, okay, right here on that Ford Fiesta. I told you not to turn it because, okay, you can see the profile of that thing, okay, how it is, so it doesn't let you turn it. So you just put it back together in reverse order we took it apart. Thank you guys for watching, please subscribe and many more videos to come. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.